in this conference series, my role is the conference series program designer, speaker, and facilitator. And I'm thrilled to have this opportunity to work with the Asian professional group within the Boston area. What we want to do with this conference series is to be able to help people understand a process for career advancement, to inspire them with role models that have succeeded in organizations who are Asian professionals, and to really be able to take action to develop their career towards their greatest potential. In quarterly conferences that we're really going to be investing in a good amount of time so that the attendees can really learn about the landscape of organizations, what it takes as an Asian professional to succeed in such landscapes. Two is key strategies that they can begin to employ and to begin to be aware of so that they can proactively engage in developing their careers, which what we found is to be one of the larger impediments for Asian professional advancement is the fact that as a culture we expect those with, who are maybe more higher ups to help us develop where in most organizations the expectation is that we must take charge of our own. We have now designed 4 specific different topics within this quarterly conference series. The first one is really looking at the short term. How do you advance in your current job? We'll really be talking about very, very specific strategies within your current job so that you can advance to the next level and the levels beyond that. The second in the series addresses what are the critical factors for developing a rewarding career. So longer term, 3 to 5 years and beyond, how do you begin to look at this as a longer term span of your career that's going to last for decades? The third is then this notion of making the choice to manage and lead. For many Asian professionals, that becomes a challenge that many of us find our glass ceilings past the technical levels when there is an opportunity to manage and lead. So we'll address that very, very specifically within the Asian context of how do we begin to choose to manage and lead within organizations. And finally is looking at you as a leader. Who are you? What are your values? Who do you want to be as a leader? Because that is the fundamental foundation that allows you to be the most effective and allows you also to create the most potential that is out there for us. The first part is a lecture. The second part is a panel discussion among role models of Asian descent who have really succeeded in various industries and organizations within the Boston area. So the third part of the conference is breakout sessions, and we'll have a few critical topics that addresses the strategies laid out in the lecture, and participants can have the choice to address or to participate in any of in one of these particular breakout sessions so that they can immediately begin to hone and develop a particular skill that they find critical to their own advancement in their current job. So again, each conference will have 3 key areas: a lecture, a panel discussion of role models, and then a breakout session for personal development. And we've really designed that again to get maximum learning and the maximum output for each of the participants that take part.